Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Miracle accounting software. We will begin by exploring the fundamental aspects of this powerful tool. First, you will understand its core features and how to navigate the user interface with ease. Next, we will guide you through setting up your company profile and initial chart of accounts. Finally, you will learn the essential steps for basic data entry, ensuring a smooth start to your financial management journey. This foundational knowledge is crucial for effective use. Moving on, we will delve into the core accounting functions that Miracle software offers. You will master recording daily sales and purchase transactions with precision. We will then cover managing your accounts receivable and payable, ensuring timely payments and collections. Furthermore, you will learn to reconcile bank statements accurately, a critical step for maintaining financial health. Finally, generating essential financial reports, such as the profit and loss statement, will become second nature, providing valuable business insights. Now, let's explore the more advanced features and customization options within Miracle accounting software. You will discover how to effectively use inventory management modules to keep track of your stock. We will also cover utilizing the payroll processing capabilities for your employees, simplifying a complex task. Moreover, you will learn to customize reports, tailoring them to your unique business requirements. Implementing robust security settings is also key, ensuring your financial data remains protected and confidential at all times. To conclude, let's discuss best practices and available support for Miracle accounting software. It is crucial to regularly back up your accounting data, safeguarding your financial records against unforeseen events. Staying updated with software enhancements ensures you benefit from the latest features and security improvements. Remember to utilize the wealth of online resources and community forums for quick answers. And when complex issues arise, do not hesitate to seek professional support, ensuring your operations run smoothly and efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.